Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. President Murmu confers National Teachers Award on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Meghalaya celebrates 61st Teachers' Day with great fervour and exuberance. Conrad Sangma chairs meeting of GOM on casinos, racecourse and online gaming. And Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina arrives in New Delhi on a 4-day visit to India. The news in detail. Teachers' Day is being celebrated throughout the country today. The day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of educationist and former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. President Draupadi Murmu has said that education in the mother tongue is the cornerstone of inspiring talents in the fields of science, literature and social sciences, and National Education Policy 2020 puts focus on this aspect. She said this while conferring the national awards to 46 selected teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day in New Delhi today. Meghalaya's Gamchi Timre R. Marak also received the national award from the President today. Meghalaya today celebrated the 61st Teachers' Day with great fervour and exuberance. The official function was held at Usosotham Auditorium, Shillong, in the presence of Minister in charge Education, Government of Meghalaya, Lakman Rimboy as the chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, Rimboy lauded the dedication of the teaching community of the state, particularly during the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, when teachers had to transform formal classroom teaching to online teaching. Meghalaya government also honoured 13 mentors on Teachers' Day in recognition of their contributions to the dedicated services. Besides the State Teachers Award, District Award was also conferred on 33 teachers from across the state. Meanwhile, in West Jayanta Hills District, Jawai local MLA Wailat Miki Shilla attended Teachers' Day celebration. During the program, teachers were felicitated with the District Awards.
Life does not depend only on common job. Life is how you learn. Education is to give you life, not only employment. So you have to teach them in such a way so that they could face any situation arise. Let all of us be a learner. Learn from the trees, learn from the rivers, learn from the teachers, learn from the student. Because many things we learn also from the child. Let us continue to learn and continue to teach.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today chaired a meeting of the GOM on casinos, racecourse and online gaming in New Delhi. Conrad Sangma later said that after taking the opinion of stakeholders and after successive meetings of all members, the GOM will take legal opinion before submitting the final report.
Three different games, and hence we cannot have the same formula going through all. So that's the competition that comes in, and we are working on all these things. That's the reason why this particular GOM is taking slightly more time, because it's a very complex issue and it's got a lot of legal aspects to it, and different court rulings are there. All these things have to be taken into consideration. But yet the GOM has been made for all three, and we have to it's almost like three GOMs into one, and that's the reason why this is slightly more complex. But we are approaching the end, and we're hopeful that in the next 1 week, 10 days, we should be able to start.
Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina arrived in New Delhi today on a 4-day visit to India. During her visit, she will hold bilateral consultations with Prime Minister Narendra Modi tomorrow. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar will call on the visiting dignitary this evening. The External Affairs Ministry said that both sides have sustained a high level of engagement, including at the highest level in recent years. During the visit, issues of commerce and trade besides sharing of river water, among others, are likely to be discussed. The Northeastern Hill University today signed 9 MOUs with different institutes and industries on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik, who was also present on the occasion, lauded the efforts of the teachers to impart knowledge to the students, even as he added that NEHU has made great strides in the field of education.
लेकिन टीचर्स समाज के गुलदस्ता बनाते हैं। बोलना, उठना, बैठना, सलीका, हर चीज हमको टीचर से सीखने को मिली। इसलिए टीचर्स का एहसान इंसान जिंदगी भर नहीं कर सकता। तो टीचर्स डे पे मैं आप सबको बधाई देता हूँ।
The Congress Party is organizing a Bharat Jodo Yatra. General Secretary and Senior Spokesperson of Assam Pradesh Congress Committee, Bobita Sharma, today informed that Yatra is being launched to unite all Indians against 3 growing problems: economic inequality, social divisiveness and the erosion of the constitutional rights. The Yatra would start on 7th September from Kanyakumari and it would go till Jammu and Kashmir after covering 12 states.
They will be covering, the Yatris will be covering 7 September from Kanyakumari, and it goes to Jammu Kashmir, and it covers 12 states and 2 union territories. The 12 states are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. It will be totally, they will be covering, the Yatris will be covering 3,500 kilometers and it will take 150 days to cover.
Another weather report. The maximum temperature was 22.7 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 18.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 96%, while in the evening was 81%. No rainfall was recorded. The forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. President Murmu confers a National Teachers Award on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Meghalaya celebrates 61st Teachers' Day with great fervour and exuberance. Conrad Sama chairs a meeting of GOM on casinos, racecourse and online gaming. And Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina arrives in New Delhi on a 4-day visit to India. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Have a good night.